What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TLRY ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the major fundamental news that drives the price of this stock up. And I will continue with the technical analysis and with the probable outcome for this company. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose a free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have this massive spike in price with the massive volume. We have absolutely mind-blowing volume with this candle. And I made my previous video somewhere at this point at the beginning of April, and I've told you that we have major supports and resistances right here at the level of around $22.25 and right here at level of $12.47 mark. And what are these levels? Let me show you that I had Elliott wave breakdown, and the main assumption was that we have this as our first internal wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And we have this massive price of around $75.61. And this was the period when TLRY ticker became a meme stock. And basically right after that we had this massive decline in price. And right here we have the top of our third wave on a smaller scale, and the major support slash resistance is right here. It is the top of our first wave on a bigger scale. And according to Elliott wave theory, we cannot retrace the fourth wave on the territory of the first one in order to remain bullish, in order to remain a motive wave. This means if we would break this support, it will invalidate the entire count and we have to start from scratch, because in this case, technically, we cannot have major targets highly above this previous all-time high. So, and we are bouncing back from this level. Basically, we didn't hit it, and it is very good, because the level of $12.47 didn't hit by the price. The lowest point, you can find it right here and under the L letter. The lowest point was at $12.56. And it is very good sign that we have this massive spike in price. So, and let's continue with some fundamentals of this company. First of all, on their website you can find this definition in company profiles section. Tilray Incorporated is a leading global cannabis lifestyle and consumer packaged goods company with operations in Canada, the United States, Europe, Australia and Latin America that is changing people's lives for the better, one person at a time, by inspiring and empowering the worldwide community to live their very best life by providing them with products that meet the needs of their mind, body and soul and invoke a sense of well-being. A pioneer in cannabis research, cultivation and distribution, Tilray's unprecedented production platform supports over 20 brands in over 20 countries, including comprehensive cannabis offerings, hemp-based foods and alcoholic beverages. So, very good definition, I have nothing to add. It is a rather big company with a very good intention, and they have a very good market share of this market. And let me show you why we have a massive spike in price and in volume with this ticker. And this is their official press release. It was published on July 28th. And it's titled Tilray Incorporated Reports 2021 Fiscal Year and the fourth quarter results. And I have to say that they delivered mind-blowing results with this report, and let me quote you just several of them. Net revenue increased 27% to $513 million compared to prior year. Net income of $33.6 million, adjusted EBITDA of $12.3 million. Net cash from operating activities of $8.3 million and positive free cash flow of $3.3 million in Q4. Mind-blowing results, I have to say. Completed business combination with Aphria Incorporated. Achieved $35 million in synergies to date. On track for $80 million target. Cannabis revenue grew 55% in Q4, number one market share in Canada. Leading European Union GMP-certified medical cannabis LP in Europe with demand growing. Executive leadership executing on plan to drive accelerated growth and sustained profitability in global cannabis market. So, very good results, and let me quote you Mr. Irwin D. Simon, Tilray's chairman and chief executive officer, and he stated, early results from the new Tilray affirm that while the global cannabis market remains in its early stages, our vision, scale, access to resources and operational excellence position us optimally to capitalize on the opportunity. In a very short period of time since our business combination was finalized, we transformed our strengthened Tilray, delivered solid results amid continued COVID-19 lockdowns and restrictions, and achieved $35 million in synergies to date, well on our way to delivering $80 million in cost savings over the next 16 months. And Mr. Simon continued, these are early achievements, but they provide the roadmap for our strategy and priorities moving forward. Tilray is now truly leading the global cannabis industry with low cost of production, leading brands, a well-developed distribution network, and unique partnerships that we believe will drive sustainable shareholder value in the quarters to come. We look forward to accelerating and refining our business level strategies and roadmaps, and to ensuring unmistakable measurable progress as we build the leading consumer packaged goods business in the cannabis industry. And basically, he is extremely bullish with his company, and it is obvious. And he already has very good numbers with their financials, and that's why this company has a very bright future. And because of this news, and on top of that, I want to quote you this article. It was published on Yahoo Finance, and it's titled, Tilray CEO sees marijuana legalization in America over next 18 to 24 months. And let me quote you this. We have a strong balance sheet, Simon said, in regards to legalization happening in the United States. I think we will be ready to partner when that does happen. But right now, there is very little I can do other than an option or potentially partner with someone when that does happen. And I have to say that this is another extremely bullish article, and with this news we have this massive spike in price and in volume, and as you can see, the volume is the highest volume across the entire price chart that we have for about several years. Basically, we don't have this massive volume at all, and it is very good sign. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, let me show you indicators. On a 4-hour time frame, we are extremely bullish and we don't have any bearish signs at all. Let me switch to daily time frame. We also have a very bullish RSI, and we didn't even cross, we barely, I have to say, we barely crossed the middle line of neutral territory, and this means on daily time frame we have a lot of room to grow to the upside. On top of that, let me show you more thoroughly, let me show you right here. We had a bullish divergence, and bullish divergence is when you can see the higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And this means when you can see this type of pattern, anytime soon this asset might spike up, and basically it happened. And let me show you that we hit the 55 exponential moving average, and for now it acts as a resistance, and we might have a slight pullback, and then we might have a second attempt in order to break this resistance, and our next potential resistance is right here at around $22.29. As you can see, we hit it barely right here, pocket through, but bounced back immediately with very good volume and with the bearish candle. I have to say it is a falling star, and this candle usually shows the trend reversal, and basically it happened. And what to expect next? If you want to add your position with this company, let me show you on 1 hour time frame that we have a slightly bearish divergence. And this divergence means when we can see lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And it's not so obvious for now because we don't have basically third curvature right here, and we don't have RSI that is going to the downside. But we are losing positive momentum according to MACD indicator. And we have decent chances to make some pullbacks, and right after that we might spike up in order to break 55 exponential moving average on a daily time frame. So, and what should you do if you want to invest in this company? First of all, you have to do your own due diligence, because due diligence is a must. Then let me show you that we might hit, if it is a very top of this price action for now, and we won't go higher on next trading session. This means we might have a retracement, and basically I don't think that it is very obvious, and that's why basically I encourage you, if you want to invest, I encourage you to add just a tiny position right here at opening hours, or using my referral link of WeBull brokerage you can benefit from extended hours, and you can add your position right here in case if we will go higher, because eventually we might have some retracement, and at that point it will be your major accumulation point for the long term. But if we will go lower from this level, we might hit 0.236 and 0.382 levels, and because of this massive bullish news, we might have a trend reversal from these levels, and that's why you can accumulate your position across these levels. But you have to keep in mind that we still have a possibility to hit even lower levels, and you should always ladder your buys down in order to achieve the most attractive average price. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!